This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Hi, my brothers and sisters. I hope you all doing good. I'm going to teach you about the network architecture. Network architecture is a layout of a network. A network consists of transmission equipment, communication protocols, softwares, and infrastructures. Network architects make sure the connectivity between the components is uninterrupted. The duties of the computer network architect cannot be disselected to the detail for one simple reason. The market changes at all times. Example, developments of the cloud computing now inevitably push the market towards a completely new approaches in a network architecture. Computer network architecture is defined as a physical and logical design of a software, hardware, protocols, and media of the transmission of data. Simply, we can say that how computers are organized and how tasks are allocated to the computers. There are two types of network architectures. They are peer-to-peer computer network and client or server-side network. First, let's see about the peer-to-peer computer network. Peer-to-peer network is a network in which all the computers are linked together with equal privileges or responsibilities for processing the data. Peer-to-peer computer network is useful for small environments, usually up to 10 computers. Peer-to-peer computer network has no dedicated servers. Special permissions are assigned to each computer for sharing the resources, but this can lead a problem if the computer with the resources is down. Advantages of peer-to-peer network. It is less costly as it does not contain any dedicated server. If one computer stop working, other computer will not stop working. It is easy to set up and maintain as each computer manages itself. Disadvantages of peer-to-peer network. In the case of peer-to-peer network, it does not contain a centralized system. Therefore, it cannot back up the data as the data is different in different locations. Let's see about the client or server network. Client or server network is a network model designed for the end user called clients to access the resources such as songs, videos, etc. The central controller is known as a server, while all other computers in a network called as clients. A server performs all the major operations such as security and network management. A server is responsible for managing all the resources such as files, directories, printers, etc. All the clients communicate with each other through a server. Advantages of client or servers networks. A client or server network contains a centralized system. Therefore, we can back up the data easily. A client or server network has dedicated server that improves the overall performance of the whole system. Security is better in client or server network as a single server administrator shares the resources. It also increases the speed of sharing the resources. Disadvantages of client or server network. Client or server network is expensive as it requires a server with large memory. A server has a network operating system (NOS) to provide the resources to the clients, but the cost of NOS is very high. It requires a dedicated network administrator to manage all the resources. What does a computer network architect do? Computer network architects create plans and layout for data communication network. They inform the organization they work for where they might need networks and also present and explain why it would be benefit the organization to be pursue them. Computer network architects need to have an excellent understanding of organization business plans so they can design an appreciable network. They work with the organization CIO, Chief Information Officer, to predict where the organization will be most needed new network demand for the computer network architects with increase as firm continues to expand their uses of wireless and mobile networks. Computer network architect often works with the computer system engineers who help build the network they have designed. Planning the implementations of the security patches or other countermeasures must be taken into consideration when the designing networks in the case of vulnerabilities. And that's it for the today's video. If you have any doubt in your mind, please add up in the comment section. I'm here to answer all your queries. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Bye.